Henry McClure Live. I'm here at the Orthodox Church. I just attended a parish council meeting, and they approved finding a temporary space. So we're basically at the top of the hill, rolling that snowball downhill. So we'll get out of the way here at the church, move to the temporary space, and then we've got to get the new church up and going over on Apostle Hill. So this is Medford and Huntoon, and from what I understand, there's not a lot of support for $20 million to renovate or expand Huntoon or shrink it down like they did 12th Street. And man, I'm telling you, this will bring you life. For some reason today, I like the cold right now, but because that church it was a little warm in that meeting. It's cozy inside. You know, this building is built like a fortress. It's like a castle, all brick. You know, we can put a garage here too. I've had meetings with Mike Hall, so you can see, I think you turn this thing into a house. Oh, Jimmy B. Hey, Jimmy B, can we use the church? Can we use the church out on 6th Street till we get into Apostle Hill? I know you guys are downtown, but what about the 6th Street church? Can we make a deal with the Orthodox Church? We'll pay some rent. Nice to see Jimmy B tuned in when I need him. See, it's a God thing. You ask for help, and God shows up. Isn't that nice? So, man, could you imagine if you've ever been in this church? It's cool. But I think it could be a place for an architect or a lawyer or a real estate agent. You know, somebody that can use this as an office and a home. You know, even a hair salon lady. Hello, David. How are you doing? So I've got to get somebody to take this. You know that my hands are cold right now? I'm not a sissy, I promise. Whew, it was 10 degrees this morning when I woke up. I started the car a couple of times just to make sure it would start up. Jimmy B. Let's see. Hi, Jimmy. Out on your adventures. Saturday's men breakfast. All right, I'll be there. I will be at the men's breakfast this Saturday. I like going out there. Now, it's on 6th Street, right? Hi, Jimmy. I'm Henry McClure. I'm not Jimmy. Are you talking to yourself? All right. Well, I got some things to do. I got to call my daughter. Got to call Mike Siegel. Enjoy the day. Every night begins a new day.